We are learning new details about the Parma nursing home where the health department found a cluster of coronavirus cases. 5 on Your Side investigator Scott Knoll dug through federal reports and shows us what he found.
Overall, the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid rate Manor Care here in Parma as average. But we found when it comes to health inspections, records show that average grade drops to below average. Cuyahoga County health officials say their investigation into a cluster of COVID-19 cases here is ongoing.
We're all working to identify and understand the scope of the issues there as soon as we can.
That includes understanding how many residents and workers inside the Sprague Road nursing home have been infected. Federal records show Manor Care is certified for 130 beds. Today, in an email, a company spokeswoman said the nursing home is cooperating with the health department and that affected individuals are not currently in the nursing home. It's also restricting visitation, put a hold on all new admissions, increased sanitizing and cleaning, isolated high-risk patients, and is regularly checking residents for symptoms. The health department says because of the age of many nursing home residents and the possibility many have other health issues, it's a particularly vulnerable population. The health department now working to trace everyone, including workers, who may have come in contact with those who tested positive.
It's a lot of people, but we're doing it every single one by one. And that also includes people who they may have experienced or interacted with in another facility.
Records show Manor Care was inspected 3 times in the last year, cited for 8 different deficiencies, including last August when inspectors found the nursing home failed to ensure it had sufficient nursing staff. Today, the company said that problem was corrected, that it was in compliance with all regulations now. But when we asked how many residents and workers tested positive for coronavirus and when they became sick, a spokeswoman referred us to the health department, who wouldn't say much.
Because we're talking about fragile folks, we're talking about people's parents and their grandparents and their neighbors and their friends. And so we want to make sure that we're being sensitive to those issues, also protective of private health information as we go forward in moving through this response.
So what about emergency responders that get called out here? The health department says with so many COVID-19 cases now in Cuyahoga County, they're telling all first responders to treat every call they go to as if the patient could be infected. In Parma, I'm 5 on Your Side investigator Scott Knoll.